on the bus.
I'm gonna put these under here. Just remind you. Put it on the chair. No, under here. Oh yeah, and I got this. Sit there. Sit here. I'm sitting by myself.
Oh,
Actually, I hate sitting backwards.
right. We have speakers. We are the Tootsie Twin.
I need to go an hour.
Okay, so I just got a new news. I did not know that in England, the driver don't wear seatbelts for safety reasons. Taxi drivers, only the passenger wears seatbelts. Okay, so that's some information I just heard, and I'm just letting y'all know. Love y'all. Stay tuned. God, please don't kill my Monique, okay? It's my money girl, okay? Please don't kill her.
Just save her when you're being annoying.
Danielle, you okay?
Okay.
Danielle, you look very comfy.
It's all the way at the back.
You comfy? No one to squeeze you, right? Like squeezing Monique. Don't squeeze the princess, okay? I think it's Nadia squeezing you. I think so. You think so?
Xavier's pushing up.
Oh, Xavier.
Yeah.
The prince is sleeping.
You can wind it 3-1. That's your friend.
Hey. We're here.
If she doesn't answer that, she doesn't know that I'll give her.
Hi, Lawrence.
No,
She will answer?
She just tell me, say, in England, if you got chew gum and you spit it out, you get in trouble.
No, you shouldn't. They used to have these things.
You hear that?
That's why our hospitals don't sell gum. You never go to a hospital and find poppy gum. They don't sell it.
You hear that? They don't sell gum in the hospital.
Never.
Ooh, they're outside. Be a walking child, me, I didn't know. I make a America, me a ton slim as.
It's good.
No, ever slimmers. Always fluffy. That's how I love it.
Healthy.
Love it. Healthy, fluffy.